All right, we're at the sledding hill. You guys excited?
Yes.
This is actually their first real sledding trip right here. So they don't know what to expect. They're nervous, I think. Are you nervous? Yeah, you nervous? Kinda. You think you got this? So, there's the hill. Hey, what's up, guys? Long time no see. How's it going? We're doing good here, right, girls?
Yeah. Yep.
We got our first big snow of 2019, and we're going to go sledding in it. Let's go have some fun. There's the hill. You guys may recognize this hill. I've flown the drone here before. It's at one of our local parks. Let's go. You're not supposed to be out here.
My foot. Ow.
Yeah, look broken. It's not though?
Nope.
Was that fun?
Yep.
That was a good run. Got you a slow-mo shot of that one. Want to see it?
Yeah.
Let's watch it right now. What's up, Rhea?
What's up?
You went all the way into the weeds. You went too far.
Blame the sled.
Blame the sled. You need brakes.
I really do.
I got a slow-mo of that one. It looked like you was like turning your face away from the snow, splashing up on your face.
Yup.
You want to see it?
Sure.
Check this out. Yo, I just seen you hit those weeds.
Why?
He's going too fast. Hey, I got you in slow-mo wrecking, wiping out. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Let's see it. stuck in the weeds? It's stuck to your hat? It could be worse.
I hit 3 people. Well, I got 3 of it, but then I turned.
You hit 3 people? Oh my gosh. Keep it aimed at her. She didn't wipe out. Your turn, Rhea. All right, that was a blast. You girls have fun? Yeah? First real time sledding. They did it like pros. So I want to give big thanks to my bro. And actually, he filmed a vlog today. So check out the description below. I'm going to put a link to his. So if you want to see more, go check out his videos. And also, by the way, just today, we hit 3,000 subscribers. What do you think about that?
Good.
Good. Thank you guys for all the support. Because I haven't posted much in the last year, but I plan on... Hey! But I plan on posting a lot more this year, guys, so just keep an eye on the channel. I got one coming up with the ice tree. I've been filming a lot of stuff with the ice tree, but we got some cool stuff going on, and we'll see you guys then.
Peace.
Peace! Kids these days. But I sorry, stop so I can do this. Guys, keeping now. So you guys messed me all up.